Hey everyone, welcome back to Ken Talks the Espresso Machines. Here we are again with yet another La Pavoni unit. This unit needed a tune-up. Customer was having problems thinking it was overheating, but it wasn't actually overheating. That just was a result of worn down gaskets. Water was coming out from certain areas, so it came off as being hotter than it needed to be and overheating, but that actually wasn't the case. So now that we got her all lubed up and ready, let's run a shot here. That water through the group head, and now we push that water through, and there you have it. The thing about La Pavonis is it takes a bit of time to find the right grind setting so that you get the ideal shot. You can see that our coffee wasn't fine enough, maybe a bit too coarse, so the water came out quicker than normally, but as you can see, there are no leaking, no water coming out. Easily makes a shot. Let's turn the steam on. And there's your steam. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.